Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter choices and avoid buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the skies to compare two top-notch drones, the Potensic Atom and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Buckle up because it's about to get turbulent. Helicopter on the left, we've got the lightweight champ, the Potensic Atom, and on the right, the high-flying heavyweight, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Let's see which one will make you the king of the skies. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The Potensic Atom will set you back $449, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro demands a princely sum of $759. That's a $310 difference. For that kind of money, the DJI better come with a butler to serve you in-flight snacks. So if you want to save some cash and still fly high, the Potensic Atom is your budget-friendly buddy. But hey, if you're rolling in dough and want to splurge, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is your guy. Both of these drones are under 249 grams, meaning no FAA registration. That's right, folks. You can skip the paperwork and get straight to the fun. Perfect for those of us who hate filling out forms, like me. The Potensic Atom is palm-sized and comes with a nifty storage bag. It's like the drone equivalent of a pocket-sized Swiss Army knife. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is also lightweight and travel-friendly. So both are easy to carry, but the Atom wins the cute and compact award. Both drones boast 4K cameras. But let's dig deeper. The Potensic Atom features a 12 megapixels camera with a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring rock-steady footage even in windy conditions. It's like having a tiny flying cameraman who never gets seasick. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers fantastic 4K video quality and has omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It's like the drone has eyes in the back of its head. Perfect for those of us who are prone to crashing into trees, no names mentioned. Battery life is crucial. The Potensic Atom offers 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries and can charge all 3 in just 1.5 hours. That's quicker than I can make a cup of instant noodles. The DJI Mini 4 Pro promises extended battery life, but it's a bit vague on the specifics. However, it does come with one 34-minute flight time battery. So if you want more airtime without a recharge break, the Potensic Atom has you covered. Both drones are packed with features. The Potensic Atom has visual tracking, quick shots, and an easy-to-use remote control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Versatile and beginner-friendly. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro has Active Track 360 degrees, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and can even be paired with DJI goggles too for an immersive FPV experience. It's like strapping into a VR roller coaster. Reviewers praise the Potensic Atom for its ease of use, great video quality, and value for money, making it an excellent starter drone. However, some note that it lacks the advanced features found in higher-end models. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is lauded for its impressive camera quality, obstacle sensing, and advanced features, but it comes at a higher price point. Both drones are highly recommended, but your choice will depend on your budget and feature preferences. So there you have it, folks. The Potensic Atom is your go-to for budget-friendly, easy-to-use flying fun, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers premium features and an immersive flight experience, if you're willing to pay the price. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Fly high, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Scissor product links are in the description.